All right, let's start the class. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, hello, good afternoon, everyone.
Good
Good
afternoon.
afternoon to Mister. How are you today?
Okay,
Today?
I'm pretty good, thank you. So, what about you guys? How are you?
I'm great, thank
I'm
you,
great,
Mister.
Miss.
Fine, sir.
It sounds good. So, before we start our class today, before we begin our meeting this afternoon, let's pray together. Eventually, our beliefs. Pray, begin. Amin. Finish.
Amin.
Hey everybody, thank you very much for attending our class today and welcome back with me, with Mr. Ans in Speaking 14 program. So today we're coming to the third day, or we're coming to the third meeting of our class. And well, before we start our discussion, I'm going to check the attendance list first. Okay. While I'm going to check the attendance list, I will ask you something. Yeah. Well, the question is very easy for you. So, could you tell me what you usually do after going home from school? Yes. Did you go to school this morning, by the way?
Enggak, Mister. Libur dari kemarin karena kakak kelas 6 ujian.
Libur. Okay. Aisha, libur. What about Adeline? Did you go to the school?
No, Mister. I don't go to school because I think now is holiday day. Holiday.
Okay, because it's holiday. Okay, so what about Arta?
I'm not going to school.
Uh-huh.
It's holiday.
Oh,
You
it's
know, it's Kuningan. You know Kuningan?
all right. Okay, so all of the members are getting holiday for this time. It means the question is changed. So what? How do you spend your holiday at home? Okay, exactly this morning. Probably you can tell about the story. You tell about the activities that you had this morning. Okay, so it's so simple. Probably everyone still remembers about the story or
Maybe
about the activity this morning.
in
Okay,
the morning
so
when we
what's
get up.
Siapa yang mau duluan?
Um,
Coba, Aisyah. Okay, good.
okay.
So, okay, I believe you.
I get up and maybe I brush my teeth.
Mhm.
After that, maybe I take a bath and dress up. After take maybe after that, I am reading a novel. What the novel is it? Nah, I don't know what it is.
What's the
I'm reading
title? Okay, what's the
novel.
title of the novel?
Hmm? What, Mister?
So what's the title of the novel?
This is like apa ya namanya?
Ah.
Petualangan gitu, Mister.
Oh, petualangan. Okay. Okay, so keep going on.
Maybe I'm reading it 5 hour reading book, and after that I'm bored and play with my kitten for berapa ya? 6 menit lah. 6 minutes.
Uh-huh.
Minutes. Nah, itu kan udah jam 2 ya. And I make something special, maybe make
You make something
something.
special. What's that?
Bikin manik-manik kayaknya. Bikin manik-manik.
Okay.
Bahasa Inggrisnya gelang tuh apa ya? Gelang rakit gitu loh.
Gelang.
DIY gelang.
Gelang. So you can
Ya.
say gelang is bracelet.
I'm DIY the bracelet, but ya putus dikit ya. Ya sudah lah.
Ah, okay. So, did you
And
make it by
ya mungkin
yourself?
itu aja deh.
Okay, did you make it by yourself?
Habis ya gak ada bantuannya, jadi ya putus dikit lah. Putus.
Okay, I see. Well,
Jadi harus diulang lagi kayaknya bracelet.
okay, so that's really creative. And yeah, so you can continue till it's done. Yeah, keep going on. At least you
Yeah.
can spend your weekend or at least you can spend your holiday productively. Yes. And well, let's continue to the following members. Okay, please welcome to okay. Siapa? Arta atau Adeline dulu?
I want to try.
Okay, let's go. Adeline, I bless you.
Okay, so in the morning, I think I get up and then I go to have breakfast. After that, I watch TV with my brother,
Uh-huh.
and then eating snack, and in the afternoon, I go to, and in the afternoon I go take a nap. Then I wake up at uh so
Okay, that's it.
I go to class.
Uh-huh.
Can I fix it? Okay, at the afternoon I take a nap. Then when I wake up, I take a class, an English class. Kursus bahasa Inggris ini. At then
All right. Okay, thank you, Adeline, for sharing the story in your holiday. That's nice. And now we will continue to the next member. We have Arta. Hello, Arta.
Hello.
Yeah, I bless you.
Ini untuk hari ini. Today I wake up at 7 a.m. and I eat breakfast at 9 a.m. I eat and then I take a shower at 10 a.m. and then all day I play games. Just Mister.
Oh, that's it.
Yeah.
Any else?
No.
There's no. Okay. Thank you, Arta, for sharing about your activity today. So, guys, I really appreciate it to all the stories, all the activities, all the stories that you have told the last time. Okay, it means there are 3 joiners for the meeting today. Adeline Kambuli, Aisyah Nur Hafidah, Putu Arta Kusuma. So I don't know why where Raisha Yumna Farita is. Yes, because until now, up to now, she hasn't joined the meeting
I
at
think she member.
all.
Kira
Yes,
cuma 3
because
member, Mister.
on the attendance list here, I have just got Raisa Yumna Farita. Yes. And another one, I don't know why. So she hasn't joined the meeting at all. Okay. And well, everybody, thank you very much. And now we will continue to our discussion today. Before we start the discussion, okay,
Wait,
we will.
Mister. Kayaknya tahu deh kenapa alasan Yumnya nggak masuk.
Okay, why?
Karena kepalanya robek.
Oh,
Baru dia dibawa ke rumah sakit.
I see.
Iya.
How do you know? How do you know about her?
Kemarin kan di SFT3 tuh dia ceritakan tentang disuruh menceritakan tentang experience dirawat di rumah sakit ya. Nah, dia ceritakannya kayak gitu. Jadi
Oh,
mungkin itu alasannya dia nggak masuk deh.
I see. All right. So in last period, she was telling about some experience, and exactly that was the bad experience, getting the accident in her head. Okay, thank you for the information. All right, well, guys, now we're going to start our new discussion. Somehow we will review what we discussed yesterday. In the previous meeting, we were discussing about what? Ada yang masih ingat kemarin kita bahas tentang apa ya? Do you still remember?
Past tense ya?
Middle
Past tense ya?
sentence.
About
Past tense ya,
past
Mister.
tense.
Mungkin.
Iya kan? Yeah, that's
Yeah.
true. Dan setelah past tense itu kan ada tuh. Menceritakan tentang
The sentence was telling about
experience.
talking about experience, unforgettable experience.
Yeah, unforgettable experience. That's true. On the first day, we were discussing about past tense. Yes, how we use past tense in the sentence. And in the following meeting, we were discussing about telling experience. Yeah, exactly. Telling past experience, of course. Yes. So we directly practiced after we studied about past tense. So we practiced it in telling the experience. And now, okay, we will continue our new topic of discussion. So here we go. I'm about sharing the screen here. And before starting the discussion, do you have any question, guys, by the way? Okay. One question. It's okay?
Telling story apa ini, Mister? Tell story apa?
Ya, ntar dulu. Sebelum kita bahas materi hari ini. Oke, coba. Oke, do you have any question? Ada pertanyaan sebelum kita mulai pembahasan hari ini? Yeah, exactly the questions about past tense, okay, or about yes, whatever.
No.
Oh,
Mister.
wait.
Mister.
Yeah. Arda?
Okay.
How? Okay, so guys, if you don't have any question, oh yeah, I remember, I remember that you had a homework. You had a homework yesterday.
Sudah, Mister. Sudah.
So have you finished all?
Sudah. Yang itu kan, Miss, yang Handy is sleepy, Vika wasn't hungry.
Yeah,
Yang itu kan?
that's true. So
Oke.
here we go. And this is the translation. The translation question. Yeah. Oh, no. And have you finished? Have you sent it to the group, by the way? Oh, not yet.
Yes, Mister. I have done to send it.
Okay, so here we go. This is the homework that I gave you yesterday. We will discuss it for a while. Okay. So there are 5 questions that you have to answer. Okay, number 1. Handi lelah kemarin. Okay, so who wants? Okay, I believe you to answer this question. First is Aisha.
Handy sleepy yesterday.
Andy sleepy yesterday. Okay, that's wrong. What about Adeline?
Handy tired yesterday.
Okay,
And
Andy
Ya, bukan
tired
ngantuk.
yesterday. That's wrong. Okay, Arda.
Handy tired yesterday.
Huh?
Handy tired yesterday.
That's wrong. Okay.
Mister
Ternyata nggak
using
Hah?
it was
Kenapa?
tired yesterday.
Coba ulangi.
It was tired yesterday.
Andy?
Was tired yesterday.
Yups, that's true.
Yay!
Terusnya. Ya. Okay. Ya. Andy was tired yesterday. Kemarin kan kita belajar ini. Ini namanya to be. Ya, atau kalimat nominal. Kalimat nominal itu kalimat yang nggak ada kata kerjanya ya. Jadi karena lampau, jadi pakainya was. Kalau nggak lampau, kalau sekarang ya contoh, kalau sekarang Handy ya lelah, maka wasnya kan diganti is ya. Handy is tired. Nah, karena ini lampau teman-teman, jadi harus pakai was gitu. Ingat nggak?
Ingat.
Okay, so the next, Vika tidak lapar tadi pagi. Okay, how do you say in English? Vika tidak lapar tadi
Wasn't
Wasn't
hungry
hungry this morning.
Vika,
Vika wasn't hungry this morning.
okay. Vika wasn't hungry this morning. That's correct. Yeah. And the next, mereka mengantuk tadi malam.
They were sleepy.
They were
Last night.
They
sleepy. Were
Last
sleepy last night.
pakainya were atau was?
Were.
Yeah,
Were.
they were
Sleepy.
sleepy
Last night.
last night. Yeah, that's true. Apakah kamu di pantai bulan lalu?
Were you
Were you
in beach last month?
Repeat once more.
Were you in beach
That's
last month?
were you? Apakah kamu di pantai? Were you In
beach
in the
this
beach last month.
beach
month.
last month.
Month.
Ya, teman-teman jawabannya seperti ini nggak?
Enggak, saya was.
Kurang de-nya. Kurang
Apa?
de.
Was
Kurang de.
saya was.
Kurang?
Kurang de.
In the
Oh,
Nggak tahu ya.
oke, wait. Jadi teman-teman, ya, we in the beach last month. Ya, that's good. Wait,
SD tahun lalu.
dipakainya. Okay, so the correct one is at.
were
Yeah, we
Were
at the beach last month. Sampai bulan lalu. Jadi pakainya at ya, teman-teman. Oke, the next kita adalah anak SD tahun lalu.
we were
Elementary
elementary
children.
kids last year.
We
Were
were
elementary
elementary
school kids
yeah,
last. Yeah,
last
year.
yeah, we were elementary school kids last year. Boleh. Ada yang punya jawaban lain?
Saya makainya children, Mister.
Pakainya children, boleh. Kalau children berarti nggak ada S-nya.
Wah, gak ada kids ya, Mister.
We were elementary school kids last year. Okay? Do you understand? So, do you have any question, by the way?
True.
Yeah?
no, Mister.
All right.
No.
So, if you don't
Saya.
have any question, okay, who gets all right? Siapa yang dapat betul semuanya? All right. Siapa yang betul? All right.
Yang
Nggak ada.
4
Okay, one mistake.
salah.
Atau satu yang
Mistake.
salah.
Number 4.
Number 4. Oh, Adeline yang salah cuma nomor 4 aja?
Ya.
Okay, that's great. Okay. Yang salah 2.
Dua.
Salah 3. Oh, Aisyah salah berapa?
Salah dua.
Salah
Yang
2.
nomor 4 and number 5.
Oke.
Gak ada
Benar.
kids sama gak ada
What about
D-nya.
Arta? Salah berapa? Arta?
Mister, saya nomor 4-nya pakai at the beach, bukan in the beach. Itu boleh.
Iya, pakainya apa? At the beach.
Iya.
Iya itu. Tuh, Mr. At the beach tuh.
Oh,
Iya.
one mistake.
Berarti salah berapa?
1.
Salah 1. Okay, that's great. Okay. Yeah, so guys, now we will continue our discussion today. Here we go. For today's meeting, we will be discussing about telling story. Yes, of course, there are many stories that we can read to practice our speaking. For discussing about this topic, I have prepared one story again, and of course, for the purpose of our learning today is to practice our reading skill, yes, and the next to practice our speaking skill, and yes, here we go. What can you learn from that story? Yes, so there is moral value that we can take from the story. Of course, that's the most important thing.
Kayak cerita
Reading the
rakyat
story.
gitu
Ya.
juga bisa, Mister.
Hah?
Kalau cerita rakyat tuh juga kayak bisa, Mister.
Boleh, boleh, boleh. Boleh cerita.
Ah,
Yeah. Okay. So before we continue, before you practiced one by one to look for one story or some story, of course it must be in English. Okay. So we will take a look on this example. Okay, and we will practice reading. Okay, and after that, you will try to understand about the moral value of this story. Okay, so here we go. This is the new story, or this is the story that we will read. Okay, what is the title? The title is
fairy tales book.
The
Fairy tales
Crying
book.
Stone.
Fairy
Yeah, The
tale.
Crying Stone.
And
Okay, what is the meaning of The Crying Stone?
quite some
Huh?
fairy tale books. Very
Batu yang apa?
Ini free tidur ya? Enggak mungkin, enggak mungkin.
Hah? The crying. Crying itu apa? Nangis.
Iya, nangis.
Crying kan nangis. Kalau stone,
Batu menangis.
nah, that's true.
Ha.
Batu menangis, ya. Okay, so guys, now please listen carefully, and then you're gonna read this one. Okay, The Crying Stone. Once upon a time, in a small village in Borneo Island, there lived a mother and her daughter. The daughter was popular among villagers because of her beautiful face, but she has bad behavior. She always spends her time in front of the mirror, admiring her beautiful face. She never helped her mother to fulfill their daily needs. The daughter always made the mother sad. However, the mother still loved her very much. Okay. Siapa yang mau coba baca? Coba raise your hand, please. Nanti kebagian semuanya pasti. Ayo, siapa nih yang bagian pertama?
Mister.
Baca yang di ini ya, Mister.
Yang barusan Mister bacakan.
Di layar saya cuma ada fairy tales book Cicet. What story do you like? Why do you like it?
Iya, Mister.
Ya,
Saya juga
Mister.
That story. Coba
Gimana,
itu aja.
gimana?
cuman kelihatan sampul fairy tales, Bu.
Iya, yang 2. Halaman kedua.
Wait. Yang barusan The Crying Stone. Muncul.
Enggak.
Enggak.
Ini udah
No.
muncul belum? Wait.
Wait.
Ini udah muncul ya?
Ya.
Ini nih kelihatan.
Wait, ya. Oke, so tadi Mister bacakan sampai very much.
Oke.
Ulangi atau nggak usah?
Mungkin boleh deh ulangin.
Diulangi ya, oke. So everyone please pay attention. Nah, perhatikan. The Crying Stone. Once upon a time, in a small village in Borneo Island, there lived a mother and her daughter. The daughter was popular among villagers because of her beautiful face. But she has bad behavior. She always spends her time in front of the mirror, admiring her beautiful face. She never helped her mother to fulfill their daily needs. The daughter always made her mother sad. However, the mother still loved her very much. Okay, so who wants to be the first?
Me.
Okay,
Yeah.
Adeline, I believe you.
Oke, dua aja ya, Mister, kayaknya.
One day, the girl
One day.
asked mother to buy.
Ini, enggak ini, yang Mister barusan bacakan.
Okay. Once upon a time, in a small village in Borneo Island, there lived a mother and her daughter. The daughter was popular among villagers because of her beautiful face, but she has bad behavior. She always spent her time in front of the mirror and with her beautiful face. She never helped her mother to fulfill their daily needs. The daughter always made her mother sad. However, her mother still loved her very much.
Okay, thank you for reading this story, Adeline. And the next, let's continue to the following members. Okay, and of course, wait. Okay, Yumna is chatting the group, asking the link of Zoom. Okay, so let's continue to the following page, to the following sentence. Okay. One day, the girl asked her mother to buy her a new gown. The mother refused it because she had no money. Because the mother loved her daughter so much, she finally bought her a new gown. Both went to the market, but the daughter asked her mother to walk behind because she was embarrassed if people saw them together. Once again, because of her love, the mother obeyed the daughter's request. Okay, so dari one day sampai request. And please you. Dapat Aisyah.
Yeah. One day, the girl asked the mother to buy her a new coat. The mother refused it because she had no money. Because the mother loved the mother so much, she finally put her a new coat. Ruth went to the market. The daughter asked the mother to walk behind because she was embarrassed if people saw them together. Once again, because of her love, the mother obeyed the doctor's request. Then, Mr.
Okay, yeah, so refused. Ya, bacanya refused.
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 That's correct. Yeah. And well, let's continue. Along the way home, the daughter still walked in front of her mother. People passing asked about the woman behind her. The daughter answered that she was not her mother, but her servant. The mother kept silent, but inside her deep heart, she prayed to God to punish her daughter. Okay, so the next, Arda.
Okay.
Don't forget to unmute first, Arda.
Okay. Ada suaraku, Miss?
Yes, sure.
Along the way home, the daughter still walked in front of her mother. People passing asked about the woman behind her. The daughter answered that she was not her mother, but her servant. The mother kept silent, but inside her deep heart, she prayed to God to punish her daughter.
Okay, thank you.
Mr.
So the next, suddenly, her daughter's legs turned into stone. The daughter realized that it was because she had hurt her mother's feeling. She begged her mother to forgive, but it was too late. Slowly, her body also turned into stone. Though the daughter had become stone, the tears were still seen, which was why the stone was called Batu Nangis. Okay, so let's continue for the reader. We have Yumna. Hello, Yumna. Welcome to the meeting. Yes. Okay, please turn on the camera.
Wait more. Wait, please.
Are you ready?
Wait, I will Sudah, Miss. Sudah, Mister.
Okay, my pleasure. From suddenly until the last.
Flags turned into stone. The doctor said that it was because she had hurt her mother feelings. She begged to her mother to forgive, but it was too late. Slowly, her body also turned into stone. So the doctor had become a stone. The tears we were still seeing, which was why the stone was called Batu Menangis.
All right. Okay, thank you. And well, everyone, so that's about crying story. The crying. So do you know the meaning of it? Tahu artinya, teman-teman?
Tahu batu menangis.
Coba ada yang menanyakan nggak? Ada yang nggak tahu artinya? Mister, ini artinya apa, Mister?
Mister.
Ya,
Artinya servant tuh apa, Mister? Servant. Yang tadi Arka baca.
servants itu pembantu.
Pelayan.
Jadi dibilangnya ibunya itu dibilang pembantu sama anaknya.
Babu.
Iya, pembantu, babu. Iya, so in English namanya servant. Oke, ada lagi? Nggak ada. Berarti sudah paham ya alur ceritanya ya. Oke, so now I will ask you, what is the moral value of this story?
Jangan durhaka kepada ibu, maybe?
Jangan durhaka. Oke, pada orang tua.
Mementingkan diri sendiri dan lebih selfish.
Oke, terus Adeline apa?
Don't be selfish. Jangan mementingkan diri sendiri. Kita harus peduli kepada yang lain.
Oke, don't be selfish. Oke, ya jangan hanya mikirin diri sendiri atau egois ya, harus mikirin orang lain juga. Oke, boleh. Others? Arta ada?
No.
Oh, there's no. Tahu ini nggak paham nggak ceritanya, Arta?
Sorry, Mister?
Alur ceritanya paham?
Paham.
Oke, baik. Jadi sekarang back to the PPT. Coba di sini ada pertanyaan teman-teman. Ya, what story do you like? Coba kalau yang barusan, what story did you read? Cerita apa yang barusan teman-teman dibaca?
Crying Stone.
Crying Stone.
The Crying Stone.
Stone.
Okay, so do you like that story?
A little
Yeah,
bit.
maybe.
A little or maybe. Okay, so what can you learn from that story?
Jangan durhaka kepada ibu.
Jangan
Jangan
durhaka
egois.
atau jangan menyakiti perasaan ibu. Berarti apa? Don't
hurt mother feelings.
That's true. Don't hurt mother's feeling. Don't hurt mother's feeling. Ya, sekali ibunya mendoakan jelek itu langsung terjadi ya. Jadi seperti itu. Okay, do you understand?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
All right. So let's continue to the following practice. Yeah. Now, tell your favorite story. Jadi sekarang teman-teman cari English story, ya. Nggak perlu banyak-banyak ya, nggak perlu yang sampai satu buku, nggak perlu. Jadi
Wah,
short English story, ya, cerita bahasa Inggris pendek aja ya. Nah, dan setelahnya nanti bakal Mister minta bacakan dan teman-teman harus paham. Nanti Mister tanya, what can you learn from that story? Okay, do you understand? Yes.
Nih,
All right. So I will leave you to find the new story.
cerita rakyat boleh.
Boleh. Yang penting bahasa Inggris ya. Iya. Asal bukan bahasa Zimbabwe. Apalagi yang bahasa itu nah, Afrika yang ya. Jadi boleh aja. Oke.
eh,
Mister,
Ya.
berarti yang penting bahasa Inggris kan?
Iya, yang penting cerita bahasa Inggris. Dan nanti pastinya persiapan aja bakal Mister tanyakan ini ya.
Kita nggak punya asal usulnya bukan dari Inggris tapi bahasanya Inggris.
Kenapa?
dongeng Patel.
Boleh nggak asal usulnya itu mungkin dari Indonesia atau mana, tapi bahasanya Inggris.
Asal usul apa?
Asal usul story-nya itu dari Indonesia atau apa gitu, tapi bahasanya Inggris.
Oh, asal usulnya memang cerita Indonesia, terus di bahasa Inggris kan gitu.
Iya, Mister. Boleh.
Oh, boleh, 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 boleh. Yang penting nanti yang dibacakan itu cerita yang berbentuk bahasa Inggris gitu. If you're ready, you can raise hand. Ya,
Mister,
ya,
tentang hewan enggak?
gimana?
Tentang fabel.
Boleh, boleh,
Yeay, kalau kura-kura dan kelinci,
boleh. Iya. Yang penting nanti ada moral value-nya gitu ya. Ada pesan moralnya dan nilai moral. Tapi suara di Mister crowded nggak sih teman-teman aslinya?
hmm,
Enggak kok.
Enggak ya?
Enggak.
enggak.
Enggak ya? Oke, oke. Ya.
Mister,
Yes.
apa aja tadi pertanyaan tentang story-nya itu?
Ya, itu yang di layar.
Ini stuck di Crying Stone-nya.
Iya, jadi nanti bakal Mister tanyakan itu yang di layar.
Mister cari di Google juga bisa, Mister. Di kamus juga bisa kayak gitu, Mister.
Easter. Sombong itu apa? Mister, sebelum dengan bahasa Inggris. Excuse me, Mister, may I ask some question? Nah,
Okay, have you finished, guys?
Yes, Mister.
Yes,
Okay, I'm
Mister.
sorry. I've just gone back from the restroom. Okay,
Yes.
so have you shared to the group? Udah
Oh,
apa
di
sih?
share
Di grup
ya?
nggak? Ya,
Share.
di-share aja nggak apa-apa. Kalau nggak nanti habis kelas juga boleh. Ya,
Okay.
Mister tanya satu-satu dulu aja ya. Okay, so I'm going to ask Arta. Okay. Hello, Arta.
Hello?
Okay. So what story do you like?
Naruto.
Naruto. Naruto.
Yeah.
Okay. Why do you like it?
Because Naruto story is in many games.
Okay. What can you learn from that story?
Strong determination and patience can help us achieve our dreams and overcome challenge.
Okay. Wow, that's awesome. All right. So the next, let's continue to. Okay, Arda, you can share with it. You can send the story through the group. Yeah.
Okay, wait.
And the next, let's continue to Aisha. Okay. Hello, Aisha.
Hello, Mister.
Okay. So, what story do you like?
Malin Kundang deh kayaknya sih.
Huh?
Malin Kundang maybe.
Malin Kundang. Okay. And why do you like it?
I don't know. Like I'm like the moral.
Okay.
Don't
Yeah, because you like
be
the moral.
arrogant.
So what can you learn from that story?
Wait, don't be arrogant.
Huh?
Orang itu sombong kan, Mister?
Sorry?
Arrogant itu sombong kan, Mister?
Yes, that's true.
Okay. And don't honor your parents.
Okay. That's it?
Yeah.
Okay, that's nice. So the next, oh yeah, Aisha, I'm waiting for the story text, the text of the story on the Telegram group. Okay?
Story-nya juga kayak misalnya maling kundang bla 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 kayak gitu juga, Mister.
Iya, teksnya, teks story-nya. Ya, dikirim. Di copy aja. Di copy paste aja nggak apa-apa ya. Okay, so the next we will continue to Adeline. Hello.
Hi.
Okay, so what story do you like?
I don't know, but think like when a turtle,
Okay,
I think that I could tell. Okay, I like it because when the rabbit wake up, uh, it the rabbit see it, the rabbit see the turtle want to win the competition.
okay. So what can you learn from that story?
Uh, dan meremehkan orang lain
Huh?
because don't
Yes, Adeline? Oh,
meremehkan apa
okay.
Mister?
Apa?
Meremehkan apa Mister?
Meremehkan, underestimate.
Don't underestimate people because people have their access and meremehkan orang lain karena orang lain Karena orang lain punya kekurangan dan kelebihan.
Okay, that's good. All right, thank you, Adeline. So you can send the text of the story to the group, okay?
Okay, it is okay. Is it okay if it's about Rabbit the Turtle?
Yes, it's okay. All right. Yeah. So the next we have Yumna. Hello. Oh, probably Yumna is left. But how you do?
For me,
Oh yeah, you still joins the Zoom. Okay, so what story do you like?
my favorite story is
Okay, and why do you like it?
because it is like a hat.
Uh-huh.
Bersejarah, 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 wait, bersejarah bahasa Inggrisnya apa, Mister?
Sorry? Apa?
Ini apa? Historical and sad.
Gimana Yumna?
I like Money Gone Down because the
Okay.
yes, the is historical and literally sad. Like
Okay.
sad.
All right. Okay. So what can you learn from the story, Yumna?
What, Mister?
What can you learn from that story?
What can you learn?
Apa yang kamu pelajari dari story itu?
We don't be disrespectful to your own mother.
Okay, that's great. Enough? Any else?
Yes, no.
All right. Thank you for sharing. Okay, guys. So thank you very much for sharing about the story that you have read last time. Okay, so at least you can learn something new from the story. Yes, because every story has the moral value behind. Ya, setiap story ada moral value atau ada pelajaran moral, pesan moralnya ya. Nah, so everyone, before closing the meeting, do you have any question?
No, Mister.
Oh,
No, Mister.
okay. So if you don't have any question, well, everybody, thank you very much for joining our class today. And let's close our meeting today by praying together. Pray, begin. Amen. Finish. Okay. See you next time. Stay healthy and stay happy. The last I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye,
Goodbye.
Mister.
Goodbye,
Okay.
Mister.
Goodbye.
Bye.